In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through opening Webflow from a Google search, previewing your site from the dashboard, accessing the Designer's Elements panel, opening page settings, and locating the page canonical URL field for SEO. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and look for the official Webflow website in the results. This is the quickest, most reliable way to get to your account if you haven't bookmarked it. When you click through, make sure you're on the legitimate Webflow domain before you sign in, just to stay secure. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. Here, locate the project you want to work on. Find the option labeled View Site and click it. View Site lets you quickly see the front-facing version of your project, which is useful for understanding how your pages currently look and load before you jump into editing. Think of it as your quick preview without diving straight into design mode. Now, head into the Designer for that same project. Inside the Designer, look for the Add Elements panel. This is usually represented by a plus icon and opens a library of layout blocks, text, images, forms, and more. Clicking Add Elements doesn't change your page by itself. It simply opens the toolbox so you can see what's available. Even if you're not adding anything right now, it's helpful to know where this panel lives because you'll use it often when building or refining pages. Next, find the gear icon, which opens Settings. In Webflow, the gear icon typically means Options or Configuration. Clicking it within the context of your page brings up the key controls that affect how the page behaves and how it's interpreted by browsers and search engines. Within these settings, locate the field labeled Page Canonical URL and click it. This is an important SEO feature. A canonical URL tells search engines which URL you consider the primary version of a page when similar or duplicate content might exist across multiple URLs. For example, a product detail page might be reachable through different filtered paths or with tracking parameters. The canonical URL points search engines to the clean, preferred address. When you use this field, make sure you reference the full, correct URL, including the protocol, and keep it consistent with how you want the page to be indexed. Avoid pointing to a different page unless you intentionally want that other page to rank as the original. And that's the complete flow. Search for Webflow on Google, open your site from the dashboard, access the Designer's Elements panel, open Settings with the gear icon, and click into the Page Canonical URL field to handle your SEO preference.